1.
Introducing the only chainsaw you'll need for the big jobs that need convenient and reliable high performance. The CS1500 Self-Sharpening Electric Chainsaw from Oregon. Rugged, durable, and easy to use. The CS1500 is as ready to go as you are. Equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor and an 18-inch guide bar, you're able to tackle almost any job. With its low kickback bar and chain, the CS1500 is comfortable and easy to use. The CS1500 is the only self-sharpening corded electric chainsaw on the market. Don't worry if you touch a stone on the ground while cutting. With a simple pull of the red PowerSharp lever, you'll take your chain from dull to sharp in as little as 3 seconds. Oregon's patented PowerSharp technology means you'll never cut with a dull chain again. Perfect for cutting firewood, this low-noise saw is silent between cuts. Enjoy the solid construction of this heavy-duty chainsaw, featuring an automatic chain oiler and toolless chain tensioning system. Offering the ultimate in corded convenience, the CS1500 is built for long jobs that need uncompromised power and precision. Forget about gasoline. This saw starts instantly with no pull cords, warm-up, or gas mixing. Ergonomically designed, this 12-pound saw is well-balanced and fitted with a comfortable handle to reduce fatigue, so you can keep going as long as the job requires. The CS1500 Self-Sharpening Electric Chainsaw from Oregon, the only chainsaw you'll need for the big jobs.
Two. Three.
You know, I don't feel tired. You know, using other chainsaws, you get so much vibration, you tend to feel tired in the shoulders and elbows, and I don't have any of that with this. I want to cut more. I'm a little disappointed that I'm not going to have more work to do around the house. I need more trees in the yard. This has been my battery powered for years. I don't even know if that's worth going any further. That's a 15-minute job to make 1 2-inch cut. Let's see the difference. Wow, oh my goodness. That's incredible. I just made a perfect, smooth, even cut in 12 seconds compared to me getting a 1/2 inch in 20 seconds. And that cut is unbelievable too. That's unreal. I've never had a battery powered chainsaw that could do that. Oh, wow. I've been using it for almost an hour and I still have half a battery left. The battery's compatible with my other Greenworks tools, which I'm in love with, so the fact that I can pick it up and put a battery in it from one of my other tools, I mean, that's why I like staying with one brand, because of the compatibility. And I really cannot absolutely believe that this is a battery-powered chainsaw. I've been using battery-powered for 7 years, and there's no way I would have been able to make these cuts. Awesome. Yep, I'm impressed and happy. Thank you guys for allowing me to use this.
4.
Experience the world's largest compatible cordless system. Makita's LXT batteries take you from power tools to outdoor power equipment. The blower delivers power comparable to a 24cc gas model. From the job site to your home. Reach speeds of 116 miles per hour. Use Makita's cordless products anytime, anywhere. One system, endless possibilities. Now get 2 extra free batteries.
5.
Cut back on gas. Introducing the Sunjo SWJ 599E 14-inch 9-amp electric chainsaw, the greener, cleaner way to maintain your yard and trees. Combining the power of gas with the unlimited cutting performance of an eco-friendly electric to take on taller trees and wider trunks and limbs, Sunjo's powerful 9-amp electric motor makes light work of logs, and the premium 14-inch bar and chain easily slice through brush and branches, up to 10 inches thick, while the onboard auto oiler keeps the bar and chain fully lubricated for continuous cutting. Lightweight at under 8 pounds, SWJ 599E is designed for maximum mobility around the yard. Plus, Sunjo's top-notch safety features include a sturdy, non-slip hand grip for added stability, a protective hand guard, a built-in safety switch to prevent accidental starts, and a sheath for safe storage when the day's work is done. An SWJ 599E is backed by a complete 2-year warranty. So say goodbye to gas, cut your yard chores down to size, and go with Joe. The SWJ 599E 14-inch 9-amp electric chainsaw from Sunjo. Get equipped.
6.
Start every job right with the Husqvarna Effortless Starting 400 series, which offer the best starting performance in their class. Our 435 chainsaw features effortless starting, which uses spring assist and quick spark injection to get your saw running in a flash. An auto-return start-stop switch resets to the on position for trouble-free starts. The 400 series also incorporates air injection cleaning, which keeps large dust and debris particles from reaching the air filter, reducing air filter cleanings and extending engine life. The 400 Effortless Starting series ranges from the lightweight and agile 435 with a 16-inch bar up to the 450 Rancher, which provides a larger 20-inch bar and almost 50% more power to give you a 400 series performance saw that's right for your job. From effortless start to flawless finish. So, when you're ready to get down to business, Husqvarna's 400 Effortless Starting series gives you all the performance you need from start to finish.
7. Eight. Nine.
The Craftsman V20 12-inch chainsaw is a reliable go-to with plenty of smart features. Its powerful, compact design lets you maneuver in tight spaces and target specific branches. The 12-inch bar and chain provides low kickback for comfortable, confident use, even when you're cutting logs at ground level. A built-in bubble level allows for precise horizontal cuts too. Plus, the auto-oiling feature means you won't have to spend time priming, while tool-free chain tensioning adds convenience. And since you can hang it up, storage is simple, even if space is limited. The Craftsman V20 12-inch chainsaw is the perfect blend of convenience and power. Craftsman, we build pride.
10.